Okuma's double-column machining centers are recognized for their robustness and precision, catering to a variety of sizes and bed lengths. These machines stand out with their stable platform provided by a unique bridge design, which is ideal for machining both large and long parts. Their double-column machining centers incorporate advanced technology like the EcoSuite Plus, providing energy-saving features and reporting, highlighting Okuma's efficiency and sustainability-focused process in machining operations. A good example of this is the MCR-BIII Mark III, which supports 5-face machining of parts in a single setup and includes a ram-type head for powerful cutting and rigidity. It also offers a high degree of automation with a standard 50-tool magazine for automatic tool changing, which can be expanded depending on operational needs. Okuma's double-column machining centers are engineered to meet the demands of industries requiring high precision and stability in machining large components, making them suitable for aerospace, automotive, and other heavy industries. For more info on double-column machining centers, visit our website